Hi guys! Today I will show you how to remove your bin icon from your desktop in Windows 10. So if you want to completely clean up your desktop, you can select some items and press delete button on keyboard, or you can right click on any icon and select delete option in context menu. But you cannot do this with the bin icon, so you need to do a few steps. First, let's go to settings, press start and type settings. Just open the main settings in Windows. Then we need to go to personalization tab, and then we need to select themes on your left side. Now option about icons we will find on the right side, so the desktop icon settings. And as we can see, here is settings for the desktop icons, and we need to uncheck the option for the recycle bin. Let's just do it and apply changes. Now you can enjoy your clean desktop. I hope that helps you, and thanks for watching.